In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Hermes Agent using the desktop app. First, visit the Hermes Agent website and download the desktop application for your computer. Once the download is complete, install and launch the app. When the app opens, you'll see a unique registration code displayed on the screen. Keep this code handy, as you'll need it to connect your account. Next, click the option to sign in through the Hermes Agent portal. This will open the registration page in your web browser. On the Sign Up page, log in or sign up using your preferred method. After submitting your information, you'll be prompted to enter the registration code generated by the desktop app. Enter the code and confirm it to link your new account to the application. Once the verification is complete, your account will be created and the desktop app will automatically connect to your Hermes Agent account. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for Hermes Agent and connected your desktop application. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.